How to upload a file via USB on a CNC powered by the Redline CNC controller. In this video, we're going to upload a file from a USB thumb drive. It is very important that when you insert your USB thumb drive into your HMI, which is your touchscreen, you want to insert it into one of the two USB ports that are on the side of the HMI. Do not insert a thumb drive into the back USB port, as that is specifically for the motion controller USB cable. Once you have inserted your thumb drive into the side of the HMI, locate and click the Files tab. In the Files tab, here in the bottom section is every file currently saved onto your HMI storage. In order to access the thumb drive, click the Import button. The bottom section of this page are all the files that are currently on this thumb drive. Locate the file you want to upload and click on it. Then, at the bottom, click the Import button. Now you can see here that the file has been imported to the HMI storage. So, if you need to use this thumb drive, you can safely remove it now. To run the file we have uploaded, click on that file name. Then at the bottom, click the Open button. This will now bring you to the Run tab. On the right side, you will find your file name, how many lines are in the file, the current progress by percentage, the current line the file is starting on, of how many lines were sent, elapsed time, and ETA. Note, ETA will continue to update as the file is running. The system will read ahead so many lines and will adjust the ETA based on those lines. Toolpath buffer and hardware buffer, machine state, your work position and the machine position of your X, Y, Z, and A axes. Spindle status, on or off, and how many RPMs it's spinning. Override controls. You can adjust the override before you start the file or during the file running. You can adjust the feed rate and spindle speed from 10% all the way to 200%. The feed rate is how fast your tool is moving across the cutting area, and your spindle speed is the RPMs of your cutter. Here on the left is the G-code by line, and you can check each line of your G-code. At the bottom, these control the rendering of the file that you uploaded. You can move it around and look at it. This little icon represents the cutting tool. Here, you can turn on or off different settings in your rendering. Before you're ready to start your file, there are a couple things we want to check first. First, check the current progress. If this is a file that you have uploaded before, there's a chance that the file might have progress already on it. If you're starting your file from the beginning, you want the progress to be at 0. Hit the Restore button. It will ask you to load the toolpath again. Click Yes. Then it will restore the file back to the beginning at 0%. I always make sure I hit the Reset button before I hit Start. Then click the Start button to start the file. Down here, you'll notice as it's moving around, it's showing you the location of the cutting tool as it's moving. When the file is complete, you will get a Program is Complete pop-up message. Click OK. You can see here how long the file took. Now you can check your work, remove the workpiece, and start your next project.